Hi, I'm Abena Ocran-Jackson, Director of Council Programs for the Council of Professional Recognition. And I just met Priyanka from Botswana. And so Priyanka, I know this is not your first time at the World Forum, so can you tell me a little bit about what keeps bringing you back?
It actually is my first time at the World Forum, but it's not my first time being involved with them because I was a global leader. I've been a global leader from the 2016 to 2018 cohort, but I missed the New Zealand one because I was pregnant and having a baby that week. But I was involved via Zoom sessions during that time, and I've been involved with the World Forum then for the last 2 years at other regional meetings and international conferences. It was my first World Forum here in Macau. But I've loved it, and I definitely will be back. And in fact, I was speaking to Mark because we've now qualified and graduated with our Global Leader certificates, and I said, I don't want this to be the end, and so how do I maintain my involvement and relationship with the World Forum, because I think what Bonnie and Roger have created here is so powerful. The network, the community of really passionate professionals, and the fact that it's almost entirely volunteer run is, I think, that just kind of shows the commitment behind everyone here.
Right.
So.
And you're from Botswana?
Yes.
And so can you tell us a little bit of what you do there?
Yeah. So I work in early childhood development in various different sectors. I work in the private sector where I am a consultant, a children's author, and I also run 2 nursery schools. But in the not-for-profit side, I run a nationwide NGO that works with women in marginalized communities and trains them in early childhood development to go back to their villages and set up community-initiated playgroups as their own micro-businesses.
Great. Yeah. Well, thank you so much. And we're newbies and looking forward to the next one.
Absolutely. In Canada.
In Canada.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Bye.